Views really don't matter. Subscribers don't matter either. And watch time also doesn't matter. None of these matter when you start a new channel, because there's only one metric that controls everything. One that new channels need to be highly aware of, and that is click-through rate, or CTR. CTR decides if your video thrives or if it dies. This is why small channels stall and big channels grow faster. If people don't click for whatever reason, your video is dead before it has a chance. No matter how good your content is, YouTube only reacts to viewers' behavior. Getting a high CTR means your video gets pushed. But with a low CTR, your video gets buried fast. Fix your CTR, and everything changes for the better. Now you know why most videos die before anyone even sees them. In the next video, I'll show you why working harder and posting more doesn't fix low click-through rates. And you'll also see why most faceless channels stay invisible. Watch the next video here to continue this, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest.